Blenders have become an essential kitchen tool, whether you're whipping up a quick morning smoothie, crafting creamy soups, or experimenting with homemade nut butters. Among the top contenders in the blender market, Ninja and Vitamix stand out as two of the most popular and widely debated brands. But which one truly deserves a spot on your countertop? In this detailed comparison, we'll dive into everything from design and performance to price and accessories to help you determine which blender is the better fit for your kitchen. Whether you're a casual smoothie enthusiast or a culinary perfectionist, this guide will provide all the insights you need to make an informed choice. Let's blend in. Design and build quality. Vitamix blenders are celebrated for their premium, durable construction. Their motor bases are made with high-quality metal components, ensuring longevity and resistance to wear. The blending jars are crafted from BPA-free tritan plastic, which is both lightweight and shatterproof. Vitamix's robust design allows it to handle heavy-duty blending tasks for years without significant degradation. Additionally, the sleek, professional aesthetic of Vitamix blenders makes them a favorite among chefs and home users alike. In contrast, Ninja blenders also offer commendable build quality for their price range. Models like the Ninja BN401 NutriPro feature sturdy motor bases with high-quality plastics and a modern design that appeals to many users. 1.9. However, Ninja relies more on plastic components for critical parts like blade assemblies, which may wear out faster over time compared to Vitamix's all-metal construction. While Ninja models are visually appealing and functional, they lack the premium feel and durability of Vitamix blenders. Blades and jar shape. Vitamix uses hardened stainless steel blades that are blunt but extremely effective at pulverizing ingredients through sheer power. These blades are designed to last without dulling over time. The jar shape in Vitamix blenders is engineered to create a vortex that pulls ingredients toward the blades, ensuring consistent blending results even with tough or fibrous ingredients like kale or almonds. Ninja blenders, on the other hand, use sharp stainless steel blades arranged in a stacked design that extends vertically through the jar. While these blades excel at slicing through ice and softer ingredients quickly, they can dull over time with frequent use. The square-shaped jars in Ninja models can sometimes struggle with creating a smooth vortex, leading to uneven blends when processing tougher ingredients. Speed range and controls. Vitamix blenders offer unmatched versatility with variable speed controls ranging from 500 to 37,000 RPM. This precision allows users to adjust speeds for tasks like chopping vegetables or making nut butter. Many Vitamix models also include preset programs for smoothies, soups, or frozen desserts. The intuitive speed dial on most models enhances user control, making it easy to achieve the desired texture. Ninja blenders typically have fewer speed options, usually 3 manual speeds plus a pulse function, but compensate with AutoIQ technology. This feature offers preset programs that automate blending tasks by adjusting speeds and pulses for optimal results. While AutoIQ is convenient for beginners, it lacks the fine-tuned control that Vitamix provides. Performance. When it comes to performance, Vitamix consistently outshines Ninja in tests involving tough ingredients. Vitamix blenders deliver smoother textures for green smoothies, nut butters, and soups due to their powerful motors and efficient blade design. They can blend fibrous greens into silky drinks without leaving chunks or residue. Ninja blenders perform well for simpler tasks like crushing ice or making fruit smoothies, but often struggle with tougher recipes involving leafy greens or dense nuts. For example, models like the Ninja BN701 produce acceptable results but may require longer blending times or additional manual intervention to achieve smooth textures. Noise level. Both brands produce loud blenders due to their powerful motors. However, Vitamix tends to be slightly quieter during operation compared to Ninja models. Neither brand excels in noise reduction, so users sensitive to sound may need to consider this factor before purchasing. Additional jars and accessories. Vitamix focuses on versatility within its main jar design but also offers optional accessories like smaller blending containers or food processor attachments for its Ascent series models. These accessories integrate seamlessly with the base thanks to wireless self-detect technology. Ninja often includes multiple jars and accessories in its packages, such as personal-sized cups with lids or food processor bowls equipped with specialized blades. 6.9. While this provides excellent value for money and convenience for multitasking in the kitchen, some users may find storing these extras cumbersome. Ease of use and cleaning. Vitamix prioritizes user convenience with features like self-cleaning jars. Simply add water and dish soap and let the blender run for 30 seconds. The simple assembly process also makes it easy to use daily. Ninja blenders are generally easy to operate but require more effort when cleaning due to their sharp blade assemblies that extend vertically through the jar. Handling these blades carefully is essential to avoid injuries during cleaning. Price. Price is one of the most significant differences between these brands. Vitamix blenders are premium products priced between $300 and $600 or more depending on the model. They come with long warranties, up to 10 years, reflecting their durability and reliability as long-term investments. Ninja blenders are much more affordable, typically ranging from $70 to $200 depending on the model. While they offer excellent value for budget-conscious buyers, their shorter lifespan, 1-year limited warranty, means they may need replacing sooner than a Vitamix blender. Versatility. Vitamix excels in versatility by handling a wide range of tasks beyond smoothies, such as making hot soups directly in the blender through friction heating, grinding grains into flour, or preparing frozen desserts like sorbet. Its ability to handle any ingredient makes it a favorite among professional chefs and serious home cooks alike. Ninja offers versatility within its price range by including multiple jars for different purposes, e.g., personal cups for smoothies or food processor bowls. However, its performance is generally limited when handling tougher recipes like nut butter or fibrous greens compared to Vitamix. Reliability and warranty. Vitamix leads in reliability thanks to rigorous testing procedures that ensure its machines last up to 14 times longer than competitors' models. Their long warranties, up to 10 years, provide peace of mind for buyers investing in these high-performance machines. Ninja offers decent reliability at its price point but falls short compared to Vitamix. Most Ninja models come with a 1-year limited warranty, a reflection of their shorter expected lifespan. Final verdict. Which is better? Choosing between Ninja and Vitamix depends on your budget and blending needs. Choose Vitamix if you want a high-performance blender capable of handling tough tasks like grinding grains or making nut butter with smooth consistency. It's ideal for serious home cooks or professionals who value durability, versatility, and long-term reliability. Choose Ninja if you're looking for an affordable blender that performs well for basic tasks like smoothies or frozen drinks. It's perfect for occasional use or if you're on a tight budget. While both brands deliver quality products tailored to different audiences, Vitamix stands out as the superior choice in terms of performance, build quality, versatility, and longevity, albeit at a significantly higher price point.